Relieve the troubles of my heart and free me from anguish. Psalm 25 verses 17. Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. In today's Ghana series, we are going to make one of my favorite stews to ever enjoy, which is goat meat stew. As you've previously known on this channel, we slaughtered a full goat, so I'm taking the opportunity to make all my favorite things I love to make with goat meat. So please stay tuned. This stew was extremely delicious. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up while you continue enjoying this recipe. Let's steam the meat first. Goat meat. Baby, I'm a journal man come back. And once it's sure, the juices will come before I can add more water. I fancy so. If I say anything like calling, upon. Woo!
What's the fee?
Ready for the aponche. And sour. Aponche I told you. Yeah. Look at that fried. Check this aponche. Golden fried. The stew process. Everything I may do, man. I'm putting the wadawa in here.
Judge for a sum, Munyame. A dish here, some Munyame. For the sum,
Yeah. And think that.
The other mamma to send Miss Squan, I said notification. Yes, my one answered.
Oh, you have if you want to be firm and you will say that.
It's missing. Cool.
Area not is still neighbor.
Ah, quite. One can obey many years to the young
Sack.
You were dead.
Oh man, second chance cry. What to me be sad on the reasons here?
What's our for? Because say baby and Casopacase. Oh, and a question man black. Say, I'll pass on this.
That's 1 and 2. That's right. Yeah, crunchy.
So there you have it, family. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoy this stew making process. It was really enjoyable at our end, and we enjoyed it with this delicious, soft and moist wache together with our shito. You can find all the recipes here. I am going to link each one of them here and below as well. Please kindly make sure you subscribe for more amazing Ghanaian food content and this Ghana series as well. Do not forget to enjoy all the Ghana series. I have a playlist which I'm going to link here and below as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you soon in my next one. Have a blessed day.